Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. We'll continue to increase the upper level cirrus cloudiness, also introduce some lower and mid-level cloudiness once we get into the late afternoon evening hours, and with that we'll see some chances of rain showers as well. As we move into late evening hours, as an area low pressure moves through the Wallops region tonight into tomorrow morning with a good chance of some rainfall and even a chance of a better thunderstorm. Looking at our sounding from this morning, our freezing levels of 13,900 feet. Winds out of the northeasterly to east northeasterly component in the low levels, 27 knots at 1,000 feet, and we see our winds become light. And out of the southwest, between 6 and 9,000 feet, then our winds pick up. Once again, once we get above 20,000 feet and 25,000 feet, we see a peak wind this morning at 44 knots. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have a stationary boundary along the southeast coast. That's allowing for an area low pressure to start to develop along the South Carolina coast. It's going to ride up along the Carolina coast and over the Wallops region tonight. This area high pressure that's currently over the northeast and New England states is going to move off the coast and allow for this area low pressure move over the region. But before that does, it'll provide us with a fairly nice day, slightly breezy onshore flow, temperatures in the 70s for highs. Looking at our current satellite across the region, we can see we have abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness across the area. Will continue to stream over the Wallops region today. We'll see have some low-level cloud cover and mid-level cloud cover across the Carolinas and the coastal Carolinas associated with an inverted trough. It's going to be moving towards our region, allowing for those rain showers to develop this evening. Looking at our radar across the eastern portion of the United States, you can see some scattered rain showers across the Carolinas, giving some heavier rainfall across South Carolina this morning. That's associated with that developing area low pressure that will move through our region for tonight. Here's a couple model charts to take a look at, give you an idea of what the derived reflectivity may look like. Here's today at noon, continuing on, moving to the evening hours, see a possibility of a rain shower around 6 o'clock, and after 8 o'clock we can see a better chance of some rain showers moving in the region and move over into the overnight hours. Here's midnight. You can see midnight, and then after midnight we'll see that rainfall really start to develop across the region and giving us some better chances of rain showers and possibly a thunderstorm across the region. Looking at our GFS model, giving us an outlook into the next several days. Here's our Thursday afternoon. You can see a possibility of some rain showers developing from central Virginia into northern portions of Maryland, and that'll move through the region during the evening hours, late evening hours of Thursday into Friday. And Friday we'll have this area low pressure continue to move off into the northeast states, into southeastern Canada. With that we'll have a tighter pressure gradient across our region as this area high pressure over the Tennessee Valley and the deep south starts to develop and move into our region, and that'll allow us to have a fairly nice day on Friday overall. Just some mostly sunny skies, slightly breezy winds, and lower dew points or more comfortable conditions across the region. Saturday morning we'll have an area high pressure building overhead that'll allow for us to have a cooler start to our weekend, and then the weekend will develop a warming trend across the area as the area high pressure builds off the southeast states and allow for us to have more of a southerly to southwesterly return flow for the weekend and early next week, providing us with warm to hot conditions as we move into Sunday. And then looks like our next chance of rainfall could possibly come in for Sunday night into Monday as a boundary tries to sag south into the Middle Atlantic region. Looks like that's probably our next best chance of rain after tonight and Thursday evening. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart in regards to precipitation, lightning, winds, ceilings, and then all of the risks for the day and the evening hours. High temperature around 76 degrees today. East-northeasterly winds 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 21 this afternoon. Then we'll introduce those rain shower chances, move into the evening hours, into the overnight hours. We'll see an orange for our rain shower chances, looking like about a 70% chance of those rain showers moving through the region. And then we'll have a chance of some embedded thunderstorms, about a 20% chance after 3 a.m., 3 local on Thursday. And we'll also have a chance of those low ceilings below 500 feet with the rain showers and that area low pressure moving through the region. Our low tonight will be around 68 degrees, and that'll be early around midnight, and then temperatures staying steady in the upper 60s to lower 70s for the overnight time period. We'll have southwesterly flow by tomorrow morning at Thursday 8 local at 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 20 knots as that area low pressure moves northeast of the region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have VFR conditions until 20 local this evening, and then we'll develop a broken deck at 2,000 feet, a slight chance of a rain shower. And then after 23 local, we'll see a 10% chance of thunderstorms and a better chance of rain showers in the region. And then after 3 local on Thursday, we'll see a 20% chance of thunderstorms. And that'll continue through 8 local on Thursday morning. We'll have some low-level cloud cover, the broken deck at 800 feet, overcast deck at 1,500 feet, and also a chance of lingering rain shower and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking from Thursday through Friday, Thursday will be mostly cloudy with a slight chance of shower or thunderstorm in the morning, then partly to mostly cloudy, with a slight chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm. It'll be breezy with a high of 83 degrees. We'll have yellow across the board on Thursday. Thursday night we'll have mostly clear skies, slightly breezy winds, a low of 64 degrees. Friday we'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and breezy conditions. It will be pleasant with lower humidity values and a high of 78 degrees, and we'll have a yellow for our winds on Friday. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have those shower chances this evening, high of 76, and then we'll have that rain likely overnight tonight, looking at about a 70% chance to 80% chance of that occurring during the overnight hours for tonight. And we'll have a chance of evening thunderstorms, about a 20% chance of that occurring. Looks like those thunderstorms should start to dwindle or weaken as they move towards the region Thursday evening. That's only to allow us to have a 20% chance of seeing those thunderstorms in the Wallops region. Have a high of 83. 78 on Friday, as I mentioned, with mostly sunny skies. Saturday, we'll have a high of 82 degrees, mostly sunny conditions. So very nice on Saturday. Slightly breezy, southerly wind on Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday, for our Father's Day and for the end of the air show, looks like we'll have a warmer day, high of 85 degrees, 25% chance of evening thunderstorms. Most likely those thunderstorms will occur after midnight, Sunday into Monday. And then Monday and Tuesday, we'll have diurnal thunderstorm chances, a better chance on Monday at 40% and 25% chance on Tuesday. Temperature will be in the upper 80s to lower 90s for both days with higher humidity values. You see the overnight lows in the lower to mid 70s, so it will feel more like summertime and uncomfortable once again for the beginning of next week. Well, that's going to complete our daily weather briefing. I'm back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.